All right, hello and welcome. Brett here with GetLocalLeads.ai. Now, in this video, we're continuing our series, 5-minute questions for the founder, where we're answering your AI visibility questions so you can make sure your business and your brand is positioned to survive and thrive in this huge transition going on with AI in your industry. Okay, now, of course, as always, my team tells me I have to keep these videos under 5 minutes, and I'm actually surprised to say that this one will be very easy, okay, to do that. So firstly, the question that we're answering today is how to make my business visible to AI. Okay. So how to just like this is bare minimum, but this is the question. How do you just make your business show up to AI? Well, there is a file in your website called your robots.txt file. And it says disallow colon, and then there should say nothing. Okay, so that just basically means your robots.txt file allows or is not disallowing AI from going on your website. That's how so if your website says disallow true, that means your website says to AI, because this is the first thing they check when they go to your website, and we have a ton of data to show this. They go to your robots.txt file and they say, am I allowed here? And if it says you're not allowed here, they leave and you're totally invisible. So the question is, how do you make your business visible to AI? Get your team to go to the website and just make sure that robots.txt file allows all the AI to your website. Now, of course, if you have like a specific problem with, one or the other, you can disallow them individually and say, no, we don't want that specific thing on our website for whatever reason. Maybe they're blowing up your servers or slowing you down or whatever. But you want ChatGPT users, user agents, allow it all day long, and you're going to be visible to AI. Now, I won't go into all the depth. That doesn't mean that you're going to be, recommended to users on ChatGPT all the time. It doesn't mean you'll be recommended ever, but it does mean that your business will be visible to the AI tools. Okay. So that is a super fast answer. If you would like help with your AI visibility strategy, I'd love to chat more. Get me and my team. Feel free to book a call down in the description. And as always, you can check out our content over at GetLocalLeads.ai to learn more. Thanks so much. See you in the next video. God bless.